In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to remove duplicates from an Excel workbook or just an Excel column. For example, I've already typed here some work. Just repeat it, take manual, then this is manual tech, then we have technology manual, then manual technology. Literally, we only have these four words that are written different, but these other words that are following here down, they're just repetition or duplicates of the first four words, which is tech manual, manual tech, then we have technology manual, and then manual technology. So before I show you how you can be able to do that, or how you can be able to remove duplicates using Microsoft Excel, first we're going to remind ourselves, if you remember, in our previous videos for Excel, been able to show you how the outline or the layout of an Excel workbook. Remember, we said that we have home. These are tabs. We have home tab, we have insert tab, there is page layout tab, we have formulas tab, we have data tab, then review tab, and then lastly we have the review tab. Each of these tabs have different works. For example, the home tab, it has a ribbon, and under this ribbon it has different groups. For example, the clipboard, the font, the alignment, the number, styles, cells, and the editing. Then same as the insert tab that also has its own ribbon, and it has different groups for different functions. So for today we are going to learn on how to use the remove duplicates feature. Okay, now to remove the duplicates from this column, what we are going to do is we are going to select everything from the first word, which is tech manual. So we select to the last word, which is manual technology. After selecting everything, so this is one way of how you can select your work. Then the other way, you can just come on, because the column that we want to remove duplicates is just B. So you click or you point on the first row, which is the column B. Point there. You will see an arrow pointing down. So you click on there. After clicking there, you will be able to see that the whole column will be selected. That is, if you have more than let's say 100 words that you want to remove duplicates. So to remove duplicates, we're going to go to the data tab. Click on data tab. It will open for us a ribbon that also has different groups. We have the get external data. We have connections here. Then we have sort and filter your data. Then we have data tools, and then the outline. So today we are going to use this group called data tools, which has different features, that is text to columns. Then we have the remove duplicate now, which we want to use. Then we have data validation, consolidate, then what if analysis. So for now we're going to use this feature, which is remove duplicates. So we're going to click on it. After selecting your work, make sure that you selected the column that you want to remove your duplicates first before clicking on the data or on the data tab. Then you come on the remove duplicates feature, you click on it. Then here it will pop up a dialog box that will be saying to delete duplicate values, you select one or more columns that contain duplicate. That's exactly what we've done. Then there's select all. Then you can also unselect, but what we need is that we need to select all from column B. Then if your data has headers, that is, if you have titles on your first row, make sure that you enable this feature so that the first row is unselected. So first let's do it without the headers. Then we come and input now the headers. So click OK. Here it is saying that 20 duplicate values were found and removed. That is, five unique values will remain. So you click OK. Then you can save your work. So that is one way if you don't have the headers on your work. But now let's redo this work so that we can include headers to see the difference. Click Undo. So here we're going to let's call it groups. This is going to be our header. You can even change the color to bring the difference, and the size can also increase. So here we have groups as our header. So what we are going to do, we are going to repeat exactly what we just done. We select column B, click on data tab, then we click on remove duplicates. As I've just said earlier, we're going to say that this checkbox here, it's saying my data has headers. So to make sure that you haven't removed duplicates including your headers, make sure that you've selected it. Like right now our work is being selected as a whole. Then now we are going to remove, or we're going to click this checkbox, my data has headers, click on it, then you select all, then you can click OK. It's saying that 20 duplicate values have been removed and 4 unique values remain. Click OK. So here we've been able to remove or to eliminate the duplicate values that were on our column B. So guys, that's how you can simply be able to remove duplicates from your Excel workbook or from your Excel document. Thank you for learning together with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. See you in the next one.